We start here on the left-hand side of the page. Under templates, we're able to specify the type of templates we wish to create for our restaurant, for example, lunch, and here we can add dinner. On the right-hand side of the screen, we have the menu content. Here we can create our categories. As you can see, we've created salads, and now we'll add the category meats and also seafood. You'll also see here that we're able to edit the title of these categories by clicking on the change button adjacent and renaming the item. The order in which the categories are viewed in your menu can be changed by entering numerically the order you wish to see them in your menu. For this example, we will list the seafood before the meats and change the order. As you see, once you've clicked on Save, the dishes have changed places. The round green arrow buttons allow you to temporarily remove categories from the menu. Simply click on the category and the button will turn to grey. Once you save and push changes, this particular category will be temporarily removed from your menu. To add dishes to our categories, we simply click on Add Dish. This will take us to a new page. Here we're able to firstly upload a photo of our dish. These are photos that you've stored on your computer of your restaurant's dishes. The maximum file size for photos is 195 kilobytes. Click on the Choose file and select the photo of choice and open. Once you save the information on this screen, your photo will be automatically loaded. Next, we'll add information on our dish. Firstly, we click on the drop-down menu for printers and select the printer we'll be using from our menu, for example, kitchen. We select the category that we wish this dish to appear under, and now we're ready to add the plate name. For this example, we'll add sirloin steak. Below, we're able to add a description of this dish. This is where you're able to write a detailed description of your chef's creation, which will be seen in your menu by your customers. Here, for this example, we're going to use corn-fed Black Angus. Below here, we have fields for nutritional or allergens information. This gives you the opportunity to enter any additional data you may wish, for example, what dishes contain nuts or calorie content. If these fields are left blank, they won't appear in the menu. Below, we have the field box where we're able to enter a price for the dish. As you'll see, the Save button is adjacent here, and it's a good idea to save your information entered at this stage. You should see that your picture can now be viewed at the top of the screen. Under Extras, we're able to add side orders or toppings that the restaurant offers alongside this particular dish. Simply click Add and enter in the information to this field. For this example, we'll add pepper sauce. You're also able to state if there's an additional charge in the adjacent box. If there's no extra fee for this, then leave the box blank. To save time, if you have the same extras for several of your dishes, you're able to import them across. We're also able to show different sizes for your dish, for example, small, medium or large, and enter any additional fees charged for the various sizes. Here we'll add large and the weight of the steak. Next, we come to preparation style, and here we have the option to add a suggestion of how the steak will be cooked, for example, rare, medium or well done. Lastly, under Recommended With, we're able to suggest other items on our menu that this dish could be enjoyed with and wines that it can be paired with. This is a powerful Aptito menu tool and is a great way to promote other items on your menu or wine list. Remember, as you go along and add content, it's important to click Save so you don't lose your work. Lastly, you must click on the Push Changes to ensure that the content is forwarded to your menu. We'll then return to the menu content page. Here we can click on our meat dishes and we'll see that the sirloin steak has been added below. One other thing to mention is that we're also able to view our content in the various languages we have preset, as well as our default language. Simply by clicking on the various languages, you'll see that the categories and dish contents can now be viewed in the new language.